Let's go to the Soliom. This is the Soliom SP. This is the wireless home security Wi-Fi system. The cool thing about this is it comes with a smart battery. I thought this came with solar panel. I might be wrong, but it is meant for connecting up on your wireless and, of course, setting it outside. So it's got AI ability, so it can detect faces and packages. So you can get notified when a package shows up or a person shows up. Or any activity. So if you can set this up, so if they show a guy jumping the fence on the picture here. So if you see guys jumping the fence, then you can definitely get notified that something is weird happening. So all right, here we go. This is the Soliom Smart Battery Camera. And it says, don't forget to claim your free gift. You visit the website to claim your free gift by typing gift, or you can email their support. Awesome. So, okay, perfect. Now, this starts with the instruction manual at the top, which is where you need it to be. So it's got all the instructions on how to plug it in and hook it up and go from there. Little thank you card. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'll set this down. In the thank you card, these are the gifts that you'll get: a 32 gigabyte memory card and an extension cable. So that's not too bad. If you need a card for this camera, then that might be the perfect answer. And of course, they want you to write a product review. So, well, we do that, but not that way. So, all right, little card that says thank you and your warranty right there. A little sticker. Okay, this is the sticker. This is the guide sticker if you're drilling holes. So you can stick it on the surface, drill your holes, take that off, and then, of course, mount your camera. 2-year maintenance and 24/7 online support, one-on-one. Yeah, so that's that. Let's go ahead and get to the camera here. All right, here we go. This is the Soliom camera. Nice little plastic bag. Let's pull that out. There we are. So what do we got in here? If you've ever used an Arlo, this is a little bit bigger than that type of camera, but it definitely has some heft to it. This must be the sensor, and it's got some film on it. So let's pull the film out. Ooh, a nice blue film. Look at that. It's like a LUT. If you don't know what a LUT is, that's okay. So what we got here is the camera right here, and it looks like maybe a light or something like that on top. Not sure yet. And this has got to be some sort of sensor here. And that must be the micro. There's a little dot right there, so that must be the microphone for audio. On the bottom here, we got something. I'm not sure what this is. Assuming it's rubber, so it might be pullable. Yep. Okay, here we go. On the bottom here is where you plug in your USB and your SD card. And then when it's outside, you want to have that sealed up, so that's why that little rubber grommet is there. Up on top, looks like we have a button to connect to the device. And on the back here, there's another rubber grommet. You take that off, and it exposes the camera mount. So if you don't use the camera mount, you can put this rubber grommet back on. That's pretty interesting. Next up, we've got, looks like the mount itself. Yes, so there's the mount right there. So let's see how that mounts onto the Soliom. Oh, it's magnetic. You see that? So it'll just snap right in there. That's pretty cool. And then, of course, the mount with the screws, and there's got to be a way to, you unscrew that, and then this is what you would mount here, and then you screw that in, and it's a little ball joint that will put it into place and lock it in. So let's see. So if your wall was like this, let's see. If your wall is like this, then you want to turn so you can bring this down a little bit, or if you don't want it to fall down, then you can have it locked there. But then you tighten this up through the screw in the back, and then it stays in place. Pretty straightforward. So anyway, that's that. We've got another box here. All right, in here, it looks like we've got a standard micro USB cable. We've got mounting screws, and we have basically a 3M sticky. So if you have just a regular wall rather than anything else, you can stick it, or you can do both. You can put screws in and you can stick it in. I will definitely put it in. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it in. I have a brick exterior, so that makes mounting anything outside tougher, but I do have, there are some areas that are wood-based that I could probably screw that into.